Welcome to our video Day Trading for Beginners, where we'll guide you through the exciting world of day trading. Whether you're a newcomer eager to learn the ropes or an experienced trader looking to refine your skills, this video is tailored just for you. So grab a seat and let's dive into the exhilarating journey of day trading. Before we embark on exploring various strategies, it's essential to grasp the essence of day trading itself. At its core, day trading involves the art of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day, all with the aim of capitalizing on short-term price movements. But make no mistake, this isn't just about quick profits, it's about discipline, knowledge, and strategic thinking. Our first stop on this journey is momentum trading. Picture this traders glued to their screens, eagerly watching stock prices soar as they ride the wave of an existing market trend. It's all about spotting those momentum shifts and capitalizing on them swiftly. Now, let's zoom into scalping. Here, traders are like nimble fighters, engaging in rapid-fire transactions throughout the day to profit from even the tiniest price differentials. It's a game of speed, precision, and seizing opportunities in the blink of an eye. Moving on to breakout trading. Imagine traders meticulously analyzing charts, patiently waiting for that decisive moment when a stock price breaks through key levels of support or resistance. When it happens, they pounce, ready to ride the wave of a new trend. But what about contrarian trading? This strategy is for the rebels. These traders thrive on going against the crowd, sniffing out overbought or oversold conditions and predicting market sentiment reversals. It's about having the courage to stand apart from the herd and take calculated risks. And then there's range trading, a strategy that flourishes in sideways markets. Here, traders identify price ranges where a stock fluctuates and skillfully buy low and sell high within that range. It's a game of patience and precision, navigating within defined boundaries. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of day trading: risk management. It's not all about making money, it's also about protecting what you have. Effective risk management is the bedrock of successful trading. Always know your risk tolerance, set stop-loss orders, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, day trading isn't just a profession, it's a lifestyle, a journey filled with highs and lows, risks and rewards. But with dedication, education, and a solid strategy, you can navigate this exciting world with confidence. So, take the plunge, start your day trading journey today, and carve your path to financial independence. Happy trading!